What I'm going to do in this video is show you how you can take one simple design and turn it into a bunch of things. So if you're doing anything on like Instagram and you need mass amounts of content created, this is going to show you how. So you do need to have Canva Pro. You can try it out. I'm going to link it up down below as well, but it's very easy to do. What I'm going to show you is using quotes because a lot of people use quotes and stuff. So you're going to start off by going to Google Drive. I'm going to open up Google Sheets. What we're going to do is we're just going to load up a bunch of quotes inside of here, right? So I'm going to do this. I'm going to speed it up so you don't have to watch this whole thing. Okay, so right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different quotes in here, and they're all from different people. And the reason I'm doing this is just to show you. So, depending on the niche that you're creating content in, this is going to change. Once you have set this up, I'm going to put motivational quotes, if I can spell correctly, quotes for IG posts, and I will go to File. And what we're going to do is we're going to download this as a .csv. So make sure you select that, and then we'll just save it to desktop. And this is where the actual magic happens. This is kind of crazy. If you've done like bulk production of Instagram posts or Twitter posts or Facebook posts or anything, you realize how long it takes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type in Instagram, and we'll say Instagram post portrait or square. I'll do portrait for whatever reason. And this is going to open up something, and what we're going to do is we're going to find ones that have quote sections here. So let's see, these are all like motivational things. So this is an easy one, right? So we'll click this, we'll go to customize this template, and this is where like the craziness happens. So I came across this very recently, like 2 days ago, and I've been playing around with it a lot. So depending on what your brand is or what you're building on, so I'm going to put Who's Chris Hughes, because why not? And then what we're going to do here is we're going to highlight this section so we can erase this, and then we'll go down to apps over here on the left. So you do need to have Canva Pro for this to work. I tried it without it and it didn't work, but we're going to search up here for bulk, B-U-L-K. You'll see here it says bulk crea. That's bulk create. And what we're going to do is go to upload CSV, and we're going to find the one that we just did. Click open. And what we'll do in here is, let's see, we'll make this a little bit bigger, and you'll see how it turned purple, right? You'll see where it turned purple here. As soon as that happens, you can click it, and then you right click and you go to connect data. And then what's going to happen is you can click whatever was over here. So you'll see here one data fields identified. Never give up for what that is. And then we'll adjust the sizing to make sure it can fit. So this is a little big. We'll drag it out a little bit better, shrink this down a little so that it fits inside of the thing, right? Let's see. This looks pretty good, right? Okay, and we'll do this here. That looks good, right? That's in the middle. Yeah. So what's cool about this is now all we need to do is click on continue. We'll change the background too. We'll put this to let's say my brand is green because I love money, right? We'll do that. Okay, so back to this, we'll go to continue, and you'll see here over on the side apply data, and you'll see right now we just have one. I can't scroll down anywhere. We'll click generate 9 pages. What's going to happen, it's going to take those quotes and it's going to put them in every single one of these. How cool is that? And what you can do, if it's a little bit off or whatever, you can move it up, but think about the amount of editing that you have to do on this compared to the other, like to manually doing this. It's super easy. And let's say you want to change the background on each of these, like you're tired of green for whatever reason, you can change it to this color. And depending on how you want it structured, like look at that. That's how many pieces of content is that? That's 10 different pieces of content. Oh, only 9. Okay, so I forgot to add another one. But how easy was that to do? It's very, very simple to make, very easy to do. You can do this with a bunch of different templates. You can do this for all of the social media properties. So I hope this was helpful for you. Please give it a thumbs up if it was, and subscribe for more.